Hello and welcome to our video on 6 strange but true facts about the human body. You won't believe the amazing and bizarre things that the human body is capable of. Get ready to learn about some of the most amazing and strange aspects of the human body. 1. The human nose can detect more than 1 trillion different scents. The human nose is incredibly sensitive and can detect a wide range of scents. In fact, it's estimated that the human nose can detect more than 1 trillion different scents. This is because the human nose has about 400 different types of scent receptors, which allow us to distinguish between a vast number of different odors. The ability to detect and distinguish different scents is important for many aspects of human life, including finding food, avoiding danger, and even choosing a mate. 2. The average person has around 100,000 hairs on their head. Hair is made up of a protein called keratin, and it grows out of tiny openings in the skin called follicles. Each hair follicle has a small muscle attached to it called the erector pili muscle, which is responsible for causing the hair to stand up when it contracts. Hair serves a variety of important functions in the human body. It helps to regulate body temperature, protects the scalp from the sun's UV rays, and even plays a role in the sense of touch. The number of hairs on the head can vary widely from person to person, and it is influenced by factors such as age, genetics, and overall health. 3. The surface area of a human lung is roughly the same as a tennis court. The surface area of a human lung is actually quite large, and it is estimated to be about the same as the surface area of a tennis court. This is because the lungs are made up of a network of tiny airways called bronchioles, which branch off from the main bronchi, and millions of tiny air sacs called alveoli. The bronchioles and alveoli are lined with thin, spongy tissue that is rich in blood vessels, and it is here that the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide takes place. The large surface area of the lungs is necessary to allow for efficient gas exchange. When we breathe in, air is brought into the lungs and travels through the bronchioles and alveoli, where it comes into contact with the thin, spongy tissue. Oxygen from the air passes through the walls of the alveoli and into the blood vessels, while carbon dioxide, a waste product, passes from the blood into the alveoli to be exhaled. 4. The human body contains enough fat to make 7 bars of soap. Fat is an important nutrient that is essential for many functions in the human body, including energy storage, insulation, and cushioning. It is also a necessary component of cell membranes and hormones. There are 2 main types of fat in the human body: subcutaneous fat, which is found just under the skin, and visceral fat, which is found in the abdominal cavity around the organs. The amount of fat in the body can vary widely from person to person, and it is influenced by factors such as genetics, diet, and exercise. Soap is made by combining fats or oils with an alkali, such as lye. When the fats and oils are broken down by the alkali, they form a substance called soap. So, in theory, if all of the fat in the human body were to be rendered down and used to make soap, it would yield several bars. However, it is important to note that the fat in the human body is not actually suitable for making soap, as it is not pure enough and contains other impurities. 5. The human body has enough carbon to make about 9,000 pencils. The human body contains a significant amount of carbon, which is an essential element for life. Carbon is the building block of all living things, and it is present in all the molecules that make up our bodies, including carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. It is estimated that the human body contains enough carbon to make about 9,000 pencils. This is because pencils are made from graphite, which is a form of carbon. Graphite is mixed with clay and other materials to make the lead of a pencil. The lead is then encased in wood or another material to form the pencil. It is important to note that the carbon in the human body is not pure enough to be used to make pencils. However, the amount of carbon in the body is a good way to illustrate just how much of this essential element is present in the human body. 6. The human eye can detect more than 10 million different colors. The human eye is capable of detecting a wide range of colors, and it is estimated that the human eye can detect more than 10 million different colors. This is because the eye has specialized cells called cones and rods that are responsible for detecting light and color. There are 3 types of cones in the eye, each of which is sensitive to a different range of wavelengths of light. The combination of these 3 types of cones allows the eye to detect a wide range of colors. The ability to see color is important for many aspects of human life, including identifying objects, selecting clothing, and even expressing emotions. However, the ability to see color can vary from person to person, and some people may have difficulty seeing certain colors due to genetic conditions or other factors. Well, that was certainly a wild ride through some of the strangest and most amazing facts about the human body. So the next time you take a moment to appreciate your own body, remember just how incredible it really is. Don't forget to follow and comment if you have any suggestions for future videos. The most liked comment can become our next video.